Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Hello and welcome to this short practice to help you tap into inner peace. So come to sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Bring your eyes to close if you'd like. And draw in a deep inhalation through the nose. Let your jaw relax and sigh it out through an open mouth. Repeat that, breathing in deeply through your nose, filling up with fresh oxygen, and then sighing out through an open mouth. Feel your body relax. Do that one more time. Deep breath in, sighing out, letting go, and fully arriving here for this practice today. Now invite your awareness to scan through your body. And without judgment, just noticing if you are holding on to tension. Check in with your face. Move down into the space of your shoulders. Noticing how you're holding through your torso. Checking in with your heart space, with your gut. Breathing deeply as you move your awareness through your body. If you find an especially tight area, breathe out through an open mouth and allow that tension to begin melting. And lastly, just check in with your hips and pelvis, your legs and feet. And then shifting your attention back to the flow of your breath and just begin to bring balance into your breath. Let's breathe out completely. And then slowly inhaling through your nose for 3, 2, 1, and slowly exhaling through your nose for 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. Breathing in for 3, 2, 1, and a relaxed breath out for 3, 2, 1. Just feel your breath balancing out, breathing in smoothly and evenly, and breathing out slowly and completely. Now, using your mind's eye, begin to imagine a landscape out in front of you that is peaceful and serene. creating a space that you feel completely at ease within. A place that helps you feel calm. A place that feels like home to your body. Let this mental image wash over you. Feel as if you are truly there, and awaken your senses. Look around, taking in the colors, the textures. Noticing any smells. And even noticing the temperature. Is the sun shining? Or is it cool? Is there a soft breeze touching your skin? Acknowledge what about this particular landscape makes you feel peaceful. And as you tune in to these peaceful aspects, notice what happens inside of you. How does your body respond? And as you breathe in, let yourself receive even more of this peaceful energy that you are tapped into right now. Breathing in, receiving peacefulness. Breathing out, letting go of what no longer serves you. Marinating in this state of inner peace. Letting it circulate through your body and feeling as though every cell of your body is taking in this nourishing, peaceful energy. Let this peaceful energy intelligently move throughout you, traveling to any places within that need healing or extra support. Check in with your breath again, slowing it down, balancing it out. And we'll take 5 more inhales and exhales to simply receive. One last breath in and out, and letting go of this peaceful landscape and beginning to feel your physical body and give a gentle wiggle to your fingers and toes. Notice how you feel. This peaceful energy is always here for you. So let yourself connect to it whenever you need to bring more ease into yourself and into your day. If you'd like, you can bring one or both hands to rest over your heart, sealing in this peaceful energy with one last deep breath in through the nose, sighed out through an open mouth. Have a beautiful rest of your day.